Hey, Java class. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the spring 2020 semester. I probably said that to you already in another video. I wanted to take a quick look at our course setup in Canvas and in Revel. And on Canvas, you should see all of your standard syllabus information. Your setup information is quite substantial. This advanced class, there's quite a bit of information. And the installing software section shows you how a website that's kind of an older version of software. Everything works on that. You're welcome, of course, to use a newer version and newer IDE. And as we have a chance to experiment with different IDEs, I'd love to get videos from people, and I'll be happy to post them for everybody to share about the different development tools and which ones you like and which ones you don't like. This setup shows the software that's used on Revel. So yeah, it is a little bit older, but it does match up with our Revel video. Next is some information on setting up a GitHub account for your Java code. We will be keeping all of our projects within one repository, which may not mean much to you or may mean a lot to you if you are already a GitHub or some other source code storage user. So be sure to take that information. Let me know if you have trouble right away getting your GitHub account set up, because we'll be using that to submit assignments. Speaking of which, we have some information here on doing that and some general programming information and your Revel account, discussion boards, other resources, and then the old setup discussion board for help. Now that discussion board I have shut off, and I've put a link in there to our Discord server, and I will ask you to set up information on Discord in our introduction discussion assignment. So don't worry, I ask you to do. It is not something that you've missed. All right, so what we want to do in this video is take a quick look at Revel. If you click on the Pearson link, it will take you there. Also, there will be links throughout our Canvas course that take you to Revel. It's not a very helpful link. It's just more of a reminder. No matter which one you choose, you'll be taken to the Revel Canvas interface. Well, anyways, if you're logged in, and you'll have to pick this 171 class. Now, in Revel, this is sort of showing me a student view since I came in through the class. Revel has some different views. So if you're seeing something different, you might want to experiment and see what kind of view you prefer. Right now, I'm looking at 3 assignments that have already been posted for the first week and the second week of the semester. The first week of the semester assignment we're currently viewing, it is Chapter 13, Reading. I'm talking about abstract classes, and it contains a little bit of an introduction and a couple of case studies. Next week's content then is additional information from the same chapter. You are welcome to read it all together, however you prefer. It's just split up so that you kind of understand how things are going to be separated in our class. And then the last assignment is all of the points items or practice items from chapter 13. So because this chapter was spread out over a couple of weeks, all of these assignment pieces are just in the second week. Normally, you'll see a Sunday assignment, which is all of the reading, and a Tuesday assignment, which is all of the hands-on practice type stuff. Of course, there's a little bit mixed up the reading. Now, all of the Revel information, all of the Revel content is totally for you. There will be no points taken from Revel, where you're welcome to use it however you like. If you're interested in just using the ebook, you can always use this link here, table of contents, to go directly into the ebook and find the information that you would like. In the supplemental material, they have solutions for which one? You probably already know this more than me. All of the even numbered exercises. And sometimes I'll give you an even numbered exercise because I want you to be able to refer to that solution in desperation. Of course, I still want you to create your own solution. All of the different download links for lots of different types of software. They also have videos for different um, development environments. So uh, if you want to try, using Eclipse, they have it. And then some common errors. This is a really good thing, especially because oftentimes it might be something that's a shortcoming in the book that causes people to often experience the same error. All right, so as you work with your Revel information, remember again, this is all just for you. This is your uh, tool, so you can use it however you like. Let me know if you have trouble, if things are behaving clunky, if you would like to do something different with that. Interested in your feedback. I know most of you used Revel last semester, and you may have used it differently. So again, I value feedback. That's it for us getting started. I know you've got a lot to do getting your Java development environment all installed. So I'll be back with another video to introduce you to abstract classing.